It was a bright, puffy cloud kind of day in the meadow. Little Abba, a happy, sweet 1-year-old, toddled through the grass. He loved exploring new things. Suddenly, he spotted something shiny on a leaf. A tiny raindrop, shimmering like a jewel. "Hello," Abba whispered. The raindrop said it had fallen from a cloud and felt small and unimportant. "I'll join your journey." Abba grinned. They drifted on a breeze toward the stream. They landed near a thirsty flower. "Here," said the raindrop, sliding down to the roots. The flower stood tall, smiling. Next, they walked to the stream. "I can help," the raindrop said. The stream bubbled faster. At the pond, they met a tired baby fish. "This fresh water will help you." The fish splashed happily. Abba thought about all they had done and realized something important. Even small actions can make a big difference. The raindrop sparkled brighter than ever. "Thank you, Abba," it whispered. Abba waved goodbye. He felt warm inside. The meadow seemed brighter. Birds sang in the trees. The stream laughed as it flowed. Abba skipped along the path. He knew he had been part of something good. The flowers, fish, and stream remembered. And the raindrop, somewhere far away, still sparkled. Abba's heart was light. He lay back in the grass. Watching the clouds, he dreamed of more adventures. Some big, some small. But all important. Because even the smallest drop can bring life and joy. Abba smiled at the thought and snuggled into the grass. The meadow whispered goodnight, and the stars began to shine. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.